Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about tech reports in Google Analytics 4. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is tech reports in GA4. So you can see over here, the tech details report helps you identify the technology people use to access your website or app, including their browser, screen resolution, app version, and operating system. So let's go to the Google Analytics 4 dashboard and let's see how we can see those data from GA4 dashboard. So you can see over here, I am one of the GA4 properties of mine. So if I go to the text section, we have two options available here, like overview and tech details. So if I click on overview, then you can see over here, we are seeing the data for last 28 days. So you can customize the date range as per your requirements. Like if you want to see the data for last 7 days, or last 28 days, or last 30 days, or last 90 days, or last 12 months. So you can customize those date range according to your requirements. So you can see over here, users by platform. So web has got all the users. You can see over here 100% of users, and you can see over here users in last 30 minutes. So it is showing 0 because in last 30 minutes we didn't get any users. That's why it is showing 0. So if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see over here users by operating system. So we have all the operating systems available here, like Android has got 93 users, Macintosh got 78 users, iOS got 48 users, Windows has got 46 users, and Linux has got 14 users. And from the right option, you can see over here users by platform or device category. So web or mobile has got 139 users, web or desktop has got 138 users, and whoever tablet has got 2 users. So if I scroll down a little bit, then you have an option called users by browser. So we have all the browsers available here, like Chrome, Safari, Android Web View, Safari in-app, Samsung Internet, Edge, and Firefox. So you can see over here, Chrome has got the most amount of users, like it has got 195 users, Safari has got 32 users, Android Web View has got 25 users, Safari in-app has got 15 users, Samsung Internet has got 7 users, Edge has got 2 users, and Firefox has also got 2 users. And if I go to the right portion, then you can see over here users by device categories. So mobile has got 49.8% of users, desktop has got 49.5% of users, and tablet has got 0.7% of users. And we have an option called users by screen resolution. So we have all the resolutions available here, like 360 into 640 has got 73 users, then 1366 into 768 has got 21 users, 360 into 800 has got 16 users, 402 into 915 has got 15 users as well, and 428 into 926 has got 15 users as well, 920 into 180 has got 13 users, and 2000 into 2000 has got only 9 users. And you can see over here users by app version. So it is showing no data because we didn't any app, or we didn't connect any app with our GA4 property. That's why it is showing 0. So latest app release overview, as I already told you, we are not using any app. That's why it is not showing any data. App installing overview. So if you connect any app with your GA4 property, then you will see those data. Users by device model, it is also showing no data. So if I click on tech details, then just wait a little bit. So you can see by default the dimension is browser. So if you want, you can change the dimension as per your requirements. Like if you want to select device category, device model, screen resolution, app version, platform, OS version, platform or device category, operating system, OS with version. So you can choose any dimensions from here and see those data from here. Like browser, Chrome has got 195 users, Safari has got 32 users, and in between them new users is for Chrome 184, and engaged session was 88, and engagement rate was 38.1%. So if I scroll to the right, then you have an option called average engagement time. So for Chrome, it is 0 minute 31 seconds, and we have all the events available here. Like total events is 300 and almost 4K, and in between them, Chrome has got almost 2K events. And if I sort it by purchase, then you can see how many purchase of each browser has got. Like Chrome has got 18 conversions, Safari has got 3 conversions, Android Oreo has got 8 conversions, Safari enough has got 4 conversions, Samsung Internet has got 2 conversions, and Firefox has also got 2 conversions. And you can see the total revenue, of those browsers. So if I sort it by total revenue, then you can see over here, Android Overview has got $93.68 total revenue. So you can see the holistic reports of your browser category, or if you choose any dimensions from here, then you can see the data of those dimensions. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how tech reports work in GA4 and how we can see the data from GA4 dashboard. Yeah. So hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.